Hey there, I am Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. I like to share you guys my using experience Android 10 on Nokia 7 Plus. So let's start the video. My Nokia 7 Plus, I got Android 10 January 1st week. Now I explain my using experience Nokia 7 Plus Android 10. At first talk about the navigation key. Android 10 you can get the new version gesture key. Now talk about the dark mode. Android 10 you can get the system-wise dark mode. Talk about Google Assistant. You can get Google Assistant too easy. Swipe left and swipe right. Now talk about camera. After Android 10 update, Nokia fixed all the bugs and issues. Now you can take very good and perfect picture and video. Nokia 7 Plus using Snapdragon 660. This is a mid-range chipset. After Android 10, Nokia fixed all the bugs and all the problems, and now my phone running very smooth and very fast before. Now talking about the problem and issue. After Android 10 update, my fingerprint scanner became a very slow and sometimes it does not work. And second problem is sound quality. I lost my first sound quality, and I hope Nokia fix the all problem as soon as possible. And this is my using experience Nokia 7 Plus Android 10. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.